Whew, I need my coffee this morning. I was up so late last night, addicted to the news. If you don't know what's going on in current events, today is the day that they certify the presidency. There's maybe some objections to that. Lots to talk about when you guys return to class or when we meet on Google Meets. So a lot going on in the news. Also, the Buckeyes are in the national championship as far as Ohio goes and this area goes. That's exciting. Some of you may not be Buckeye fans. I am. So I'm pretty pumped that Justin Fields is recovering and he's not too injured to play. And so we'll see about their COVID results and tests. But I'm looking forward to that game on the 11th. And of course, I see Mr. Sowash running around here in his Browns jersey. So lots of sports fans in Ohio very happy this week. So I'm still waiting on some of you to log in, join the class, and all of that. I don't want to move too far ahead and really get into the nitty-gritty before I have everybody. So today, what I want to do, because there are some of you that I don't actually know. I know many of you because I've either had you in class or I just kind of know you. So I wanted to take a media studies, it's kind of like a survey. It's just a pre-test. It's an inquiry. I want to see what you know. I don't want you to look up these answers, and please don't. Just answer off the cuff. Answer how you, what you know, what you don't know. So one thing about this class, like I said in the intro, is there's not a lot of writing and paperwork per se. It's more based on discussion, response, and opinions. And when we get all face to face, we're going to talk about how to respectfully share those. And so a lot of this is shared, but I don't always attach your name to it. So I might share your answer from time to time, but I don't necessarily say, Brock Noblet said this or whatever. So I do want you to be honest, because that is important too, especially when we're talking about advertising and techniques and what do you notice first or what do you think of. Sometimes when I see something, I just randomly think of something different. Sometimes our inner feelings, our biases come out like straight away. So let's say that, okay, I already told you I'm a Buckeye fan. So of course, I hate that team up north, right? So whenever I see an ad or a person talking and they're in a Michigan jersey or t-shirt, I think, ugh. That's my honest first thought. And then I tell myself, oh, come on. Because, I have a lot of students that do like Michigan and different people. So but my first thought is, really? Okay, so I want you to be honest, and not all your answers will be shared, okay? Appropriate as well. So this is just going to ask you, your form's going to ask you some general questions about what you know about the media, how many hours you spend, and it just gets, there are some advertisements that I ask you a few things about the advertisements, what you notice, what you don't, and it just really, it's just an inquiry. All right, so do your best to answer, turn that in, and that's all you have to do today, except I do want you to look at your Twitter that you established. Good job, by the way, a lot of you. See who's posting what, or if they are. You can post if you want, make sure you're appropriate, and just see what's going on in the news. So when we talk about current events, you have some background knowledge to talk about. I'm sure most of you know about, what's going on with the election and the presidency and the Senate and all of that. But if you don't, check up on that. And there might be some other things going on as well. I heard Kim Kardashian is getting a divorce from Kanye. We didn't see that coming at all, right? But just kind of brush up. And that's out of my realm of interest. And you're going to be required quite a bit to maybe get out of your realm of interest and do something, read about something or watch something or, find out, research something that may be not exactly what you are interested in. So do that, and I'll get back with you tomorrow. All right, cheerio then.